In the world of sports, there are stories, and then there are fairy tales. But what happened in the 2015 to 2016 Premier League season that was something else entirely? A story so unbelievable, so utterly impossible, that even Hollywood would have dismissed it as too far-fetched. This is the story of Leicester City, the team that defied 5,000 to 1 odds to become champions of England. At the start of the season, nobody gave Leicester a second thought. They had just narrowly avoided relegation the year before, and the bookmakers gave them the same odds of winning the title as finding Elvis Presley alive. They were the ultimate underdogs, a team of misfits and journeymen who were supposed to be nothing more than a footnote in the season's story. Their squad was assembled for a fraction of the cost of their rivals. You had Jamie Vardy, a striker who was playing non-league football just a few years earlier. Riyad Mahrez, a winger signed for a bargain price from the French 2nd Division. And N'Golo Kante, a tireless midfielder who seemed to have the energy of 2 players. On paper, they were no match for the giants of Manchester United, Chelsea, or Arsenal. But they had a secret weapon, a charming, experienced Italian manager named Claudio Ranieri. Ranieri wasn't a tactical revolutionary, but he was a master of psychology. He understood that this team didn't need complex instructions, they needed belief. He kept things simple, fostering an incredible sense of unity and deflecting all the pressure with his wit and humor. He famously told the media his goal was just to reach 40 points to avoid relegation, even as they were climbing the table. His methods were unconventional but brilliant. Early in the season, to motivate his leaky defense, he made a simple promise: keep a clean sheet and I'll buy everyone pizza. When they finally did, he didn't just order it in. He took the entire squad to a local pizzeria and had them make their own. It was a small gesture, but it perfectly captured his approach. It wasn't about the pizza, it was about creating a family, a band of brothers who would fight for each other. He called his team the Foxes, and they played like it, quick, clever, and relentlessly hunting in a pack. As the season wore on, the impossible started to feel inevitable. Every week, the pundits predicted their collapse, saying the pressure would get to them. But Leicester just kept winning. They weren't always pretty, but they were ruthlessly effective. Vardy was scoring for fun, breaking records along the way. Mahrez was dancing past defenders, and Kante was everywhere, intercepting everything. The team spirit was unbreakable. They played with a joy and freedom that was infectious. They were a team having the time of their lives, and the whole world started to fall in love with them. The pressure mounted, but Ranieri was their shield. He'd playfully ring an imaginary bell in press conferences, saying dilly ding, dilly dong to wake his players up and keep them focused on the next game, and only the next game. Then came the defining moment. On May 2, 2016, Leicester didn't even have to kick a ball. Their closest rivals, Tottenham, needed to win against Chelsea to keep the title race alive. The Leicester players gathered at Jamie Vardy's house to watch the match. It was a tense, dramatic game. Tottenham went up to 2-0, and it looked like the fairytale would be put on hold. But then Chelsea fought back. They scored one, then another, a stunning equalizer from Eden Hazard. The final whistle blew. It was a 2-2 draw. And back in a quiet house in Leicestershire, madness erupted. The players, these so-called underdogs, piled on top of each other, screaming, shouting, celebrating. They had done it. Against all odds, against all logic, Leicester City were champions of the Premier League. The city exploded in a sea of blue and white. Grown men and women were crying in the streets, overcome with joy. It was a celebration not just for a football club, but for an entire community. The legacy of Leicester City's triumph goes far beyond a single trophy. It's a story that reminds us of the power of belief, the magic of teamwork, and the beauty of the underdog spirit. It proved that in sports and in life, you should never say never. They showed the world that you don't need the biggest budget or the most famous names to achieve greatness. What you need is heart, unity, and a manager who promises you pizza. It remains the greatest fairytale in modern sports history, a shining example that sometimes the impossible is just waiting to happen. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.